Way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, clouds high over the rainbow, makes all your dreams come true. Ooh, someday I wish upon the star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble makes like lemon drop high above the chimney top. This way you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, oh why can't I see trees of green, red roses too. I'll watch them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, brownness of day and dark starry night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, hi, I love you. Hi, baby's crying, watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll never know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.